What is your good name?
Ramesh Devankush,
What is your age?
49.
49. From which place you are?
I was born and brought up in Bombay.
Okay.
Now I'm in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yes.
So you are a CKD patient,
Yes.
and now since 1 month you are taking our treatment, Miracle Drinks New
Yes.
Ayurveda treatment.
Yes.
You tell me what are all the changes have been taken place, because entire world is going to see this video. Because people, once they are having chronic kidney disease, they will lose their hopes.
Correct.
That means I am going to die soon. I don't know. I may not coming out from the dialysis and all like that. So now, even though you are having 3 dialysis, what are all the changes are taken place in 1 month? You tell me.
After starting Miracle Drinks, in the first week itself, I almost stopped insulin.
Mm.
I was taking 884.
Mm.
So now my sugars are very much controlled. Fasting is between 100 to 120.
Mm.
And BP used to be 180, 190, touching 200. Now it's come down to 140, 135, that range. So it's very much under control. I had lost almost half my hair. Now hair growth is very good, and skin color has changed. So a positive feeling is there.
Then what about creatinine level?
Creatinine, my creatinine was last month when I came here 11.8. Now after 1 month of taking the Miracle Drinks, it has come down to 5.8. Even my hemoglobin has improved, and my labs are also much improved than better
Wonderful.
than last time.
Then what about the weight gain from one dialysis to another dialysis? How it has been reduced?
Previously, within alternate days, I used to get dialyzed. The weight gain used to be 3.8 to 4 kgs. Now it's come down to 1.5 to 2 kgs in dialysis.
Wonderful.
Yeah, and Saturday, Sunday, I didn't used to go to dialysis. So now on Monday also, the weight gain is around 1.5 only. So it's pretty much come down.
So that means alternative dialysis you have reduced to
Yes.
3 dialysis.
3. Now I'm reduced it to 2.
2.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.